0 to 10, how prepared do you think the financial industry is towards offering deep personalization or hyper personalization based on your experience?
Two, maybe one. I think they're at some stage of developing the capabilities to deliver personalization. But our industry is still a very product focused industry. And I apologize for cutting you off. And I think effective personalization is pushing financial services firms to cross boundaries that they're not yet comfortable crossing. So they have within them and across them different silos, and they're just beginning to break down the silos. And if you learn, for instance, that a customer needs emergency savings and you're an insurance company, you might not be very positioned or incentivized to help them open or save in a bank account on a broader scale. So there's huge swaths of the industry that are just now opening up to consumers. So think about private investing. Historically, investing in private equity or private debt or venture capital or even real estate was limited to institutions and the ultra wealthy. So the entire operational, financial, and infrastructure models behind these industries has to change to enable more access through technology. And deep personalization is going to require knowing much more about each individual person to deliver the right service in the right circumstance at the right time to the right person. And it's not just about having the data about individuals, it's about using it appropriately and respecting an individual's security and privacy and still personalizing it effectively under an umbrella and under kind of some boundary of very deep trust. And I think where we are now in this stage of evolution is that companies are trying to do this and they're getting it wrong. But I think we're at some very early stage on a journey, and it's going to take time to find balance between trust and the right level of deep personalization because individuals want to protect themselves. They want to protect their own data. They want financial services that serve them, and they want to actually receive those services from institutions that they trust. And so the way that companies come about acquiring the data about individuals is important, and using that data in context so an individual feels that it's being used with integrity and in the right ways is important. And so I still think we're early days in kind of the industry getting this right.
Absolutely.